I have to try it. The gist of my long story. Oh my gosh. Who doesn't want a face massage? Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have my June favorites here. I missed May and I almost missed June. May, I didn't have a lot of products to talk about, so I just thought I would add them into June's. And with June, I didn't have a ton either, so I was really happy that I did it together. The products that I do have, I absolutely love, and I'm really excited to share with you. So before we get into the video, why don't you go down and hit that subscribe button so you know every single time I upload a video. And you can follow me on Instagram. I like to have conversations about my videos, what's coming next, that sort of thing. So if you want to follow me, my Instagram handle is Life of Laura-Lee. Let's begin. So the first product I have for you is my jade roller. So I picked this up at Marshall's and it came in a kit with an eye mask and a jade roller. This was a really great deal. So I've been wanting to try a jade roller because I find that I wake up in the mornings with puffy eyes and puffy cheeks, and so, ooh, this is so cold. So I wanted to give this a try, and I really like this. I don't know if I'm using it right. I don't use it with serums. I kind of use it maybe after I moisturize, if that's what you're supposed to do, or whatever, but I like just, it feels really nice. That's as much as I can tell you. I'm not a beauty guru. I've seen people talk about these. I heard it helps depuff, and I find that it does. It just feels really nice. It's like a face massage, and like, let's be real, who doesn't want a face massage? The next product that I got, I can't remember if I talked about this or not, but you all know I've been in the quest for a oil cleanser, and I ended up picking up this Bobbi Brown soothing cleansing oil from a kind of discounted makeup store. So basically it's like a makeup store that gets the makeup that either doesn't sell or is made too much of. They had like Tom Ford, NARS, MAC. It was so much, and they had a whole wall of Bobbi Brown. And I saw this and I was like, oh, this sounds really nice. It was not only on sale, but then there was an extra 60% off. So I think I ended up paying like 10 bucks for this bottle, and I really like this. I now have false eyelashes. I don't know if you can tell in this video. I just realized I'm not wearing eyeliner, and I think in every video I wear eyeliner, but since I got my false eyelashes, I don't wear eyeliner, except maybe I should in videos, we'll see. But I can't use oil because if you do have eyelash extensions, you can't use anything with oils in it because it loosens the glue. So when I didn't have them, I was using this every day. It's really gentle, like it's so soft, and it turns into like a creamy balm. It's very nice. I don't find it gets 100% of my waterproof eye makeup off, but I have yet to find an oil cleanser that does. So the jury is still out. But I really love this, and I think it is worth the money even if you pay full price. The next item I thought I would throw this in because it's just fun. This is the LaCroix in Key Lime. This is absolutely delicious. Amy Lee and I stumbled upon this when we went shopping with our aunt, and we only bought one case. Actually, it was Andrew picked it up, and we just bought one. Sorry, someone's just out my window wearing the weirdest shirt. We only bought one case, and that was a huge mistake. If you have not tried this, I'm not a lime fan, but this is delicious. It reminds me if cherry Coke, vanilla cherry Coke was vanilla lime Coke. Kind of. It has this limey vanilla taste. It's so strange. It's like the aftertaste. You just have to try it. It is so good. We ended up buying, I think, 2 more cases just last week. Amy Lee and my parents went so that we could have them at the cottage because these are delicious. If you live in the States, you are so lucky you get this. I can't find this in Canada anywhere. Okay, this next product is probably the one product out of everything that I'm so excited for and I'm absolutely in love with. This is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. So this comes with a bit of a story. I heard about this on YouTube from Tati, Glam Life Guru's YouTube channel. And she did this video, like basically all the makeup products that beauty gurus die for. It's their favorite. So she did one from like everybody, and a few people had said that they loved the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, and she tried it and like fell in love. And she's used it, and she's talked about it, and I was like, I have to try it. One of my favorite primers is the Marc Jacobs Coconut Primer, which is a very hydrating, moisturizing primer. So I thought that this would be right up my alley. Anyways, that was literally like 3 or 4 months ago, I think. It could have been less, but I'm pretty sure it was that long ago. I have been scouring every store, every department store in Canada looking for this, and they are sold out everywhere. Every Sephora, every Holt Renfrew, every Hudson's Bay that has a Bobbi Brown. Like, I cannot find this anywhere. So I had given up hope. I put my name on a list at Holt Renfrew and basically was like, well, they said they'd call me, but I hadn't received a call. And Amy and I just went to Buffalo last week, or 2 weeks ago, just to grab snacks, and we happened to go into the outlet mall to the cosmetic company, the same place that I got the Bobbi Brown cleansing oil, and we walked in and there it was. Now this is the small jar, but I got this. Now the full-size jar retails for $80 Canadian, I believe, or maybe that's American. It's pretty expensive. This was $10. I was like, oh my gosh, Amy Lee! And we both bought one. I should have bought 2, but I was worried about expiration. The gist of my long story is that I absolutely love this, and if you can get your hands on this and you're like me, you like something very hydrating and soothing to your skin, this is worth it. This is worth the hype. I love this. If you're a Marc Jacobs Coconut Primer lover, you will love this. This is the best. Next kind of makeup item that I have is the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. This is so beautiful, and this has been like my summer blush color. I never thought I would go for a color like this. It's kind of corally, pinky orange, but it is absolutely stunning. I think that this looks really, really fresh, and it gives you this flushed kind of look, but it's very pretty, and I love that it's shimmery, but it's not too shimmery, like sparkly. And I probably paid like $4 or $5 for this, maybe a bit more, but still, this I bought this just to try it, not really expecting to love it as much as I do, and I love this. So it's at your drugstore, at Walmart, anywhere where you shop, they have this. Pick it up. It is such a great summer blush. And the last product that I have that if you watched my beachy kind of waves, I use this and I love this. Another small funny story. I didn't understand the name of this. It says Pretty and Delicate Rose Gold. And there is rose gold on the packaging, but I was like, wait, does this dye your hair? Like, does it make your hair kind of rose gold? Because I'm all about that. And it doesn't. But this smells absolutely amazing. This is a limited edition dry shampoo, and it smells like I want to wear this as perfume. As a matter of fact, the perfume at my wedding that I wore at my wedding smelled like this. Andrew, come here. Tell me this doesn't smell like the perfume that I used to always wear. Smell my hair now.
Oh yeah, it does. It
does, right? It smells so good. Now, it's kind of this, I can't even describe it. It's kind of a floral scent. So if you're not into floral scents, then you might not like this. But I love it. And I need to buy like all the bottles because it says it's limited edition. It smells so good. And Batiste is my favorite drugstore brand for dry shampoo. So that is all I have for my June favorites. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you've tried any of these products in the comment section down below. I'd love to know what you think of it. Thank you again so much for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I will see you again in another video. Bye!